If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Okay, folks, today is mail call, and let's open it up and see what's in the box. And I have to tell you that this is really a nice looking whatever that's in this box that I can't wait to share it with y'all. Here we go. And this is what I'm going to share with y'all. There, peanuts.
Peanuts, yay.
Yay. Oh, thank you, Frank. Happy birthday. Oh, cheers and happy, healthy year. Okay, day, okay, day. All right, so. Here we go. I picked this pen up at Federalist Pens and Paper. Yes, I did. Now, you know, I am a big blue lover. Love blue ink. Love blue ink. So, when Frank saw that, automatically Frank thought of Larry. Yes. La, 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 la. And Frank can write, can't he?
Very nice.
I'm impressed, Mr. Franco. Ta-da, ta-da. So, anyway, we'll do a review, but I just have to open this box now so you can see it and drool and just sit there and wish you had one and you've been thinking about getting one. Well, all you got to do is go to your computer or pick up the phone and get in touch with the Frank at Federalist Pens and Paper and pay for it and you're done. Bam. Okay. So let's open this little jewel up. Oh, man, I'm excited about this one. One of my favorite brands of pens, Visconti. Pen case. It's what's in this pen case is the magic. Oh, are you all ready? What do you think, Mr. Announcer? We ready?
Do it, yes.
Here we go. Oh, my good. Oh, my gosh. There it is. Look at this, baby. The Visconti Homo sapien, and I will get into all the details.
Oh, does that have? Oh no, that's on the package. The
Yeah.
V. Okay.
Yeah. I will share with you all the stuff about the sapien. You know. Oh, I had to have it. So here it is. I hope you love this color of blue. I think the blue is absolutely stunning. They did a great job on this pen, just stunning job with the black accents that they're using for the rings and clips, and it's just stunning, just beautiful, beautiful work. At least to me, it's beautiful. So, anyway, like I said, I picked this one up at Federalist Pens and Paper, so give them a shout. People will ask me, well, Larry, paying that kind of money for this pen, is it worth it? If you have the money, or if you save up for this, yeah, it's definitely worth it. It's worth every penny and more. This Visconti is really hot. It's really 1000% a great fountain pen. Yeah, I'm very enthused about this pen. I'm very pleased just the way the pen looks. It's just a stunning writer. And when I did the review, I'm going to show you my other brothers and sisters of this with this pen. So I'll let you know about the nib and all the juicy stuff about it, okay? Folks, thank you for joining me today on Mail Call. Until next time, God bless each and every one of you. Be safe out there, my friends. Be kind to a stranger. Always be kind to a stranger. And peace and love. Bye-bye.